So there are some challenges with the JWT. When we are talking about microservice securities, we have discussed that, right? So this is cookies-based authorization is majorly stateful, right? This is a server overhead when we are talking about implementing it to authorize every time it needs to be authorized. And cookies are usually bundled with the domains. If you are using a different domains, it is you need to do additional configurations, or there are additional challenges here. Also, cookies based authorization does not play well with the mobile client, right? So that is also another challenge here. And cookies based authorization does not accommodate well the use case where user of one product or services would like to grant a third party client access to their information on the system. So it is basically when you have some other different products, some different domain, some other you can say applications are trying to use it, then it is also very challenging here. So these are major problems with the JWT.